Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome, guys. With the third puzzle in today's newspaper. In additional of Saturday, yes, it's Saturday, August the 7th, 2021. It's weekend, yes. Two puzzles left in this additional. I have already solved the 3 stars and the 4 stars, so two puzzles left. The tectonic and the binary. Yes, but first I will solve the binary. Yes, and the binary puzzle will be a number. Will be number 3212. 3212. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then a double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 1, double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Then we need to compare, I think. We need to, oh, no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Yeah, we need to compare this row and that row. O, O, 1, 1, 1, 1, O, O. Oh, it's not the same. Haha. So this is not the good one to compare. Okay, let me continue. I see here between 2 ones comes an O. Okay. Let me see. Come on. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order, so I mark those O and a 1. So we have a first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O. Okay. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Okay. Three. Okay. Not the same. Always. Oh. 10-10. Do we have a 10-10? 10-10. Okay, we have a 10-10 here. 01. Yes. How about this column and that column? 1100 empty box. 1100 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O there, this should be a 1. Alright, between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Okay. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then we need to compare again. Alright. O11. Do we have O11 here? O11. Yeah. This column and the first column. 1111 empty box. Empty box 00. So we need to switch those two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Alright, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, so the rest are O's, double O here, 1 there, 1. Finish in 6 minutes. Alright. Great binary, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will continue in a few seconds with the last puzzle in this additional. It will be a tectonic with 4 stars, so prepare for this one. Could be a hard one. So see you then. Bye bye for now.